Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of integration, exercise 8.7. So first question, integral cos x by cos 3x dx. So we have one formula for cos 3x here, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So we can write integral cos x by, this can be 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x dx. Integral cos x by, take cos x common here, so we will get 4 cos square x minus 3 dx. Cos x gets cancelled. Integral 1 by 4 cos square x minus 3 dx. So as usual, since it is in terms of cos square in the denominator, multiplying numerator and denominator by secant square x, and let tan x equal to t. Tan x derivative secant square x dx equal to dt. So same procedure I am following. So integral secant square x upon secant square x into 4 cos square x minus 3. So integral secant square x by, if you multiply inside 4 minus 3 secant square x, I will write 1 plus tan square x from the second identity. So integral this one more step I will write secant square x by 4 minus 3 1 minus 3 tan square x. So if you substitute secant square x dx means dt by 1 minus 3t square. So if you simplify this, 1 by integral 1 by 3 common, dt by 1 by 3 minus t square. So I will write 1 by root 3 whole square minus t square. 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by root 3 whole square. So it looks like 1 by a square minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So you can write 1 by 3 1 by 2a log mod a plus x. So 1 by root 3 plus t by 1 by root 3 minus t plus c. So root 3 times it's cancelled. So 1 by 2 root 3 log mod LCM, if I take 1 plus 3t by 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3t. Now in the place of t put tan x. 1 by 2 root 3 log mod 1 plus root 3 tan x by 1 minus root 3 tan x plus c. So in the place of t we can write tan x, right? That is that. Therefore integral cos x by cos 3x dx equal to 1 by 2 root 3 log mod 1 plus root 3 tan x by 1 minus root 3 tan x plus c. That is a very important step, that is therefore step compulsory, don't forget. Hope it is clear. Next one, same. So next one, dx by, integral dx by 2 minus 3 cos 2x. So here also I will write cos 2x formula 1 minus 2 sin square x I am writing. Or you can write 2 cos square x minus 1 also. Cos 2 theta formula we have, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. So integral dx by 2 minus 3 plus 6 sin square x. So this will be integral dx by minus 1 plus 6 sin square x. Here also we need to multiply and divide with multiplying both numerator and denominator by secant square x. Secant square x, and let tan x equal to t. So if you write derivative secant square x dx equal to dt. Now what will you get here? One step I will write secant square x dx by secant square x into minus 1 plus 6 sin square x. So integral secant square x dx by minus secant square x plus 6 sin square by cos square is tan square x. Integral secant square x dx by, in the place of secant square x from the first identity, we can write 1 plus tan square x plus 6 tan square x. Integral secant square x dx by minus 1 plus 6. So you will get 5 tan square x minus 1. So as per our supposition, secant square x dx is dt. So integral dt by, I can write 5t square minus 1. So 1 by 5 I am taking common, 1 by t square minus 1 by root 5 whole square dt. Looks like 1 by x square minus a square dx. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. One by 5, 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. Right? So we can write this 1 by 2 root 5 log mod, root 5 times it's cancelled, root 5t minus 1 by root 5t plus 1 plus c. So write that 1 by 2 root 5 log mod root 5, t means tan x minus 1 by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus c. You can write the therefore step. So that is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Answer is correct. Hope it is clear. Thank you.